everybody, welcome to my channel. So I'm bringing you guys my Family Dollar haul. They always have, most of the time they have a 5 off of 25 digital deal, so I always want to try to give you guys deals. I am starting to do some breakdowns for you as I get to know the store more. There'll be more breakdowns, but here, let me share with you guys what I got. Now I wanted to get the regular Febreze, but I didn't know there was a Febreze light digital coupon and a regular Febreze. Well, I used my regular last week, so I ended up getting these Febreze lights. These are $3 a piece, and then there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so you guys will get both of these for $3 after that digital coupon. I ended up getting the Tide Simply liquid detergent, and then I also got the Tide Simply pods. These were both $2.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon for this one, for the liquid, and there's a $1 off digital coupon for the pods, so I did that. I got the regular Tide pods. These were $4.95. I used a $2 off digital coupon. You guys would get this for $2.95. Got the Dial body wash. These were $4 a piece. There is a buy one get one free digital coupon that does end soon, so you guys would get these for $4. And then we have a Oral-B toothbrush. This was $3, and I used a $2 off digital coupon, making it $1. So here is my breakdown. We got the Tide pods, the Febreze, the other Tide pods, the body wash, and the Oral-B toothbrush. And then I used the 5 off of 25 digital coupon. My money before coupons was $27.85. I say I had $18 worth of savings for coupons. So my grand total was $9.95 at $1.23 a piece, which I think is actually a pretty decent deal. I mean, toothbrushes are not, usually I say toothbrushes $1 and under should be a good deal, but for getting the pod for that price and the Febreze is usually about that price anyways. But just want to share with you guys my Family Dollar haul. Please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and I will see you guys next Saturday. See you later. Bye-bye.